Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free seeds and grow a garden too. So guys, I'm going to show you the robin method. Let me show you what the robin can do. Okay, this is a legendary pet and it can fly around your garden, eating ripe fruit and sometimes drop seeds. And with this pet, guys, you will be able to get seeds for free. And my robin has just dropped a tomato seed. And when the robin drops something, you need to immediately pick it up so you won't lose it. My robin has just dropped a tomato, and this is my tomato seed. I got one. I'm just going to plant it here with the other tomatoes. Okay, just like this. You need to stay in your garden, guys, because if you're not stay, the robin maybe is not able to eat the ripe fruits and drop a seed for you. So make sure that you're always in your garden to get the free seeds from robin. Okay guys, and that's how we can get free seeds with robin pet and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.